Today we're going to be traveling up to Camp Verde to spend Super Bowl with our boys. It's kind of a tradition that we try to do Super Bowl together. I wanted to show you the Mary Kay roll-up travel bag, okay? And kind of show you how I use it. So it's Velcro. Ooh, it's not coming undone by accident. And it's got the little hook. I'm sure a lot of you have something similar. Let me scoot back so you can see it. Okay, so it has 4 pockets, and for me this makes it really easy to pack because I have my tooth care and any medication, which I only take one thing. I take thyroid, and then I have my skincare, the Repair on the Go set. I don't know if you've seen these, but aren't they cute? So I have my lifting and my day cream and my foaming cleanser and my night cream and my eye cream and everything I need in tiny size. And so they fit great in there. So that's in here. And I also put my eye makeup remover and a couple of cotton pads. And then in my third one, I have all my makeup. This is all the makeup I'm taking. And then I have my glasses and my hair products in the bottom. So I can fit everything I need. I throw a brush and a curling iron and my roll-up bag, and I'm good to go. I don't need anything else. And this is really cool. They're all Velcro. So say you're traveling lighter, you don't need to take the whole thing, you just pull one off, right? Or for me, I always go over to a window when I'm doing my makeup. So I pull the makeup one off, and then I go over to a window and I bring a little mirror with me. So let me know if you're interested in looking at the Mary Kay roll-up bag. It's $35, and I do offer it as a free gift if you purchase skincare sets from me, especially your first skincare set. I often will include the roll-up bag. But if you're interested, we can work something out. So let me know if you like it. Okay, y'all have a great day.